I need you to picture this. You're standing there in front of the toilet, and it feels like a tiny hesitant trickle is all you can manage. You're straining, waiting, hoping it will hurry up. Maybe you even have to go back minutes later, because you still don't feel empty. And when it happens in public restrooms, with other men coming and going while you're stuck there, staring at that wall, the embarrassment burns. I know what that's like, and I know how frustrating it is to feel your body failing you at the most basic level. But what if I told you that there's a reason for this, a reason no one talks about, something I call the prostate strangler? It's like a tiny, invisible fist squeezing around your prostate, cutting off the vital circulation your cells need, and making the muscles you depend on for a strong, steady urine stream weak and slow, leaving you with that constant dribble instead of the powerful flow you once had. And what's worse, most men think it's just age. But it's not just age. It's this strangler choking the blood flow, keeping essential nutrients from reaching your cells. And without these nutrients, your body can't function the way it should. You don't feel strong. You don't feel like yourself. That's why today I want to share with you the #1 morning habit that can help restore your strong urine stream by addressing what's really going on, starting your day by loosening the grip of that prostate strangler, so your body can finally get the nutrients it needs to work properly again. Every morning, when you wake up, your body is in a perfect state to reclaim your health if you give it the right tools. But most men grab a coffee, maybe a quick bite of something sweet, and rush into the day without realizing they're feeding the inflammation that keeps their prostate swollen and stiff. You need a different approach. Something that supports your body's circulation and calms the inflammation that's pinching your urethra. One of the simplest yet most powerful morning habits I recommend to my patients is starting the day with a warm glass of water mixed with a pinch of pink Himalayan salt and a squeeze of lemon. This might sound too simple, but here's why it works. The warm water helps stimulate your digestive system and encourages your body to flush out toxins that build up overnight. The lemon provides vitamin C and antioxidants that fight inflammation at the cellular level, helping reduce the pressure around your prostate. The pinch of pink salt provides trace minerals that support adrenal function, which in turn supports your hormonal balance, a key factor in controlling prostate swelling. But the real magic here is that this combination helps hydrate your cells deeply, improving microcirculation. Because if your blood can't deliver nutrients to your cells, your body can't heal, and your urinary muscles can't regain their strength. Now I want you to understand why this habit matters so much. Many men don't realize that dehydration and chronic low-grade inflammation work together to make your urine stream weaker. Dehydration thickens your blood, making circulation sluggish, while inflammation swells the prostate and tightens the grip around your urethra. By hydrating deeply first thing in the morning, you allow your blood to flow more freely, carrying the antioxidants and minerals from the lemon and salt to your prostate tissue, helping to reduce swelling naturally and support the muscle tone of your bladder and urethra. Here's a tip to make this even more effective. After drinking this warm lemon salt water, take 5 minutes to do gentle pelvic stretches or deep breathing exercises. This encourages blood flow to your lower abdomen and pelvis, further supporting circulation around the prostate. You're not just improving your urine stream, you're training your body to restore itself every morning. Turning this small habit into a daily therapy that works with your body instead of against it. I want to share a quick story about one of my patients, Paul, who's 67 and lives in Arizona. Paul's a retired truck driver who spent years sitting for long hours, grabbing fast food and drinking coffee to stay awake on the road. When he retired, he looked forward to enjoying life, but he found himself stuck in front of the toilet, frustrated with a weak stream that forced him to go back again and again just to feel halfway empty. It got so bad that he avoided long road trips with his wife because he was embarrassed about how often he needed to stop, and he hated public restrooms because he would stand there in silence while others came and went. Paul tried drinking more water, cutting out caffeine, and even taking cranberry supplements, but nothing truly fixed the weak flow. When I explained to Paul about the prostate strangler and how it was blocking the circulation his prostate cells needed, he finally understood why those surface-level fixes didn't help. We started with this simple morning hydration ritual, added a few anti-inflammatory foods, and worked on restoring his microcirculation so that his body could finally deliver the nutrients his prostate needed to calm down and stop choking off his urine stream. And here's what I need you to know. While this morning habit is a powerful first step, it's not enough on its own because the prostate strangler is persistent. It's not just dehydration or inflammation. It's a hidden, ongoing blockage that disrupts your body's ability to deliver the nutrients your prostate cells need, leaving them inflamed and starved, which tightens the grip on your urethra and weakens your flow. You need a system that not only hydrates and reduces inflammation, but also restores your body's microcirculation at a cellular level, delivering those nutrients exactly where they need to go to support healthy prostate function and a strong urine stream. This method uses a combination of proven synergistic nutrients and circulation-supporting components that target the root cause of the weak flow. And the complete presentation that reveals exactly how this restoration system works is available through the link in the description. But before you click, let me explain the deeper mechanism behind why this system is necessary for every man dealing with a weak urine stream. Your prostate cells are like engines, and without proper circulation, they can't get the fuel they need to function. When they're deprived, they become inflamed and begin to swell, tightening around your urethra and strangling your flow. Your body can't fix what it can't reach. This system is designed to clear the pathways, restore circulation, and deliver the vital nutrients your prostate cells need so they can calm down, shrink back to a healthy size, and allow your urine stream to flow freely and powerfully again, like it should. This is why so many men who try surface level fixes like drinking more water, cutting caffeine, or taking random supplements see little to no improvement. Once you understand this, you'll see why taking the next step to discover the full system can transform your mornings, your comfort, and your confidence. If you're tired of standing there waiting for that weak, hesitant trickle to finish while you wish you could feel like your younger self again, now's your chance to take action. Click the link in the description to watch the full presentation and discover the complete restoration method for yourself. Your mornings can feel strong, steady, and free again, and it starts with this first step. Don't let the prostate strangler keep controlling your life. It's time to break its grip and take back your comfort and confidence. Click the link and see how you can start restoring your strong urine stream starting tomorrow morning.